Dear friends that have gathered today, we celebrate the end of a life, the end of a time. Let's just do it.
Oh, look at these sad children.
Please join with me in song as we celebrate the life of our Utah heritage. Amazing grace, how sweet.
I want to look up. What is Ellie watching? Daddy.
That's it.
Where could I put this?
Oh, rich like me. I once was lost, but now, cry with me, I'm found. Was sad, but now I'm free. You guys okay? Yeah, okay. Ma'am, we offer you this Utah license plate on behalf of all the Utah license plates serving our country, and would like to thank you for his service to our family.
Thank you.
Making me cry. Young man.
I showed Mom it.
Are the soldiers going to be ready for their 21 gun salute?
Oh, Ellie, please don't lose that.
Okay, well, we'll find the screws and be back.